A projected 800 million jobs could be replaced by AI over the next 6 years. And with the rate AI is currently growing, it's no wonder why people are worried. And AI directly took over 3,900 jobs in May of last year alone. Now, I don't think that AI is just going to replace your job as a loan officer just yet, but loan officers using AI absolutely will. And within this last year, AI went from an infancy stage where it could barely answer questions to generating incredible images, coding entire websites, generating music and deep fakes, and really disrupting entire markets. 2024 is going to be another year of AI where thousands of jobs are taken over. So the reality is AI won't replace talented loan officers, but loan officers that are effectively utilizing AI absolutely will take over the industry, because AI is creating an unfair advantage when it comes to marketing and automation. So while rivals are still doing the things the old school way, afraid of this unknown technology, savvy loan pros are quietly becoming unbeatable by making AI their personal creative and productivity hacker, accomplishing more in 1 hour than in 1 week before. So will AI replace you? No, but those who refuse to evolve surely will get left in the past. The future for mortgage domination is AI powered. All right, so without further ado, here's the current AI tools that any loan officer can start leveraging immediately to accomplish more in less time. This first tool is going to be game changing for loan officers to reach new audiences. Heygen allows loan officers to translate a video from one language into another one. Right now, I'm talking in English, but by using this AI, I can translate what I am saying into Spanish in real time. It clones my voice, my mouth movements to make it seem more realistic, and I can even switch between speaking Spanish or any other supported languages like Japanese. Esta herramienta revolucionaria permite a los oficiales de préstamos traducir videos entre idiomas. En este momento hablo en inglés, pero usando esta IA puedo traducir lo que digo al español en tiempo real. この最初のツールは、ロノフィーサーが新しい視聴者に到達するためにゲームチェンジングとなるでしょう。ジェンハビデオを他の言語に翻訳することを許可します。今は英語で話していますが、この AI を使って言っていることをリアルタイムでスペイン語に翻訳することができます。I really have no idea what I'm saying, but it's pretty cool regardless, even if it doesn't work perfectly. The implications to reach new audiences as a loan officer are endless. Now that we've gotten the cool AI tool out of the way, I want to move on to some of the AI tools I use on a daily basis. I call these the chat-style LLMs, or large language models. Essentially, chatbots that are powered by machine learning models that can write, edit, brainstorm ideas, and more. One of my favorite chat-style LLMs is definitely ChatGPT. The free version works okay, but I personally recommend upgrading to ChatGPT Plus or 4.0 for the $20 per month, especially because the newer versions like 4.0 really keep improving things like accuracy and capability. I leverage ChatGPT daily to create video outlines, generate ideas, draft social media and ad copy, analyze websites, summarize documents, draft agreements, develop email and text sequences, and so much more in just seconds. It's like having my own virtual assistant handling time-intensive writing and creative tasks. Check out my recent YouTube video where I showed you exactly how to build a marketing assistant bot that is trained on your business. ChatGPT recently rolled out a new feature called Custom GPTs. These are special bots that are programmed to do specific things, and there is a whole marketplace of custom GPTs that take things to the next level. I spent hours developing the prompt to build these niche chatbots for creating viral social media posts, irresistible video scripts, and even Facebook ads optimized specifically for the mortgage space. And I'm now making them available to all loan pros so you can cut through the clutter faster. Drop a comment below if you want these custom GPTs I made specifically for loan officers. You can also browse the marketplace yourself, find custom GPTs focused on everything from copywriting to design to SEO and beyond, so you always have the perfect AI helper. Another amazing feature that ChatGPT's parent company OpenAI recently rolled out are AI assistants. You can actually create assistants that qualify prospects, answer customer service questions, and respond in seconds at any time of the day. This tool is rapidly improving and will drastically improve efficiency and the need to have assistants to respond. Another one of my favorite LLMs that I use every day is Claude by Anthropic. I actually prefer Claude over ChatGPT for creative writing tasks and analyzing large data sets. And while ChatGPT costs $20 a month for the Plus version, you can also get Claude for $20 a month. I find Claude really is super useful for generating written content like video scripts, guides, rework drafts, and social media posts. It really just sounds more organic and less like a bot. It also excels at quickly analyzing large transcripts, articles, or other data sources in order to extract key insights. For example, I can grab multiple YouTube video transcripts in my niche and have Claude scan and highlight the most valuable information and the tonality, script style, and language choices to integrate into my own scripts. This allows me to leverage proven messaging, scripting, and frameworks while adding my own spin versus starting from a blank page. That really gives me a huge head start. I can also have Claude analyze the underlying data and provide strategic recommendations on what type of content and topics may resonate best with my loan officer audience. So while ChatGPT is more of my personal assistant, Claude really specializes in next-level content creation, data extraction, and analytics for anyone creating educational mortgage material. While ChatGPT and Claude are my go-tos right now, there are other intriguing chatbot-style LLMs that are gaining momentum in the space. One to keep an eye on is Google's Bard, and they recently released a new Gemini update that has increased its power and precision, and it's up there competing with ChatGPT and Claude. What's unique about Bard is that it leverages Google's immense search index and information repository to provide more accurate and up-to-date responses. So if I'm asking about the latest mortgage rates or a specific home value, Bard should in theory pull fresher data than ChatGPT as it has direct access to the information on the internet. Beyond Bard, there are other intriguing new chatbots entering the space as well. Llama 2 is Meta's open source LLM for researchers and commercial use. It's their answer to ChatGPT and Bard. Mistral is another one that just launched. It's a French version of ChatGPT that notably received a $16 million investment from Microsoft, which was also a ChatGPT backer, and they are valued right now at about $2 billion. So between Google, Meta, Microsoft, and more of these companies jumping in every single day, competition is heating up rapidly. And that's actually great news for loan officers. Each new LLM iteration focuses on improving areas like speed, accuracy, capability, and access. This means that these phenomenally intelligent AI assistants can be finely tuned to solve loan officer pain points that are on the horizon. And really, they're just going to continue to get better and better. The key is continuing to test these new models as they arrive, while also integrating your multiple LLMs together to maximize your productivity. Each of these tools really seems to have some strengths that the other platforms don't have, at least for now. Now, let's move into some of these AI-based video editing and video creation tools. When it comes to video editing, I'm sure every loan officer can relate to how painfully tedious and time-consuming the process can be. Well, the latest AI tools are here to turn video creation and editing from a chore into an absolute breeze. My personal favorite is Descript. It allows you to edit video projects just like a Word document, no complicated timelines, and it also auto-generates captions, removes filler words, and can insert royalty-free B-roll. Another great option is CapCut by the creators of TikTok. While it uses traditional editing workflows, the AI suggests transitions, effects, and music to elevate your clips to a new level. The key is that tools like these allow you to create highly polished, professional mortgage videos in a fraction of the time versus manual editing on other platforms. And we all know that video is essential for social media and driving traffic, so let the AI be your editor. Now, let's look at rapid short-form video creation using these AI tools. When it comes to rapidly editing footage into short-form clips, my favorite platform by far is Opus Clip. I simply upload my raw long-form videos like my podcasts, any webinars or trainings I do, or even YouTube videos, and Opus will automatically generate segmented edits optimized for platforms like TikToks and Reels. It also captions and removes filler words in just minutes. Plus, they recently added AI-generated B-roll, and their virality scoring gives you data on potential performance. I've tested tools like Clip, Video.ai, and Munch in the past, but really I've found Opus to be the easiest and most feature-rich for quick short-form content, and it also gets the best clips. And we also know short-form video is key for organic reach and visibility this year across social media. So if editing your short-form videos is still a bottleneck, let Opus clip up your existing videos into consumable shorts and save a ton of time. Between automation for long and short-form, video creation is no longer the barrier it once was for loan officers. Your expertise can now shine through and captivate audiences on both YouTube and TikTok thanks to the power of AI. Now, before we dive into image and graphics, I quickly wanted to touch on some phenomenal AI tools that actually auto-generate entire videos for you with just a text prompt. One of my favorite tools for social media ads and promotional clips is InVideo AI. I simply describe the scenes, messaging, and graphics I want included, and InVideo renders out an incredibly high-quality video with smooth voiceover. I also love Runway ML for its diverse video and image effects, plus deep customization. Easily take your footage to the next level regardless of your creative experience. But the most buzzworthy new player is ChatGPT maker OpenAI's new Sora platform that creates full 1-minute videos from any description or concept you feed it. Imagine asking for a field of cats worshiping one giant dog and boom, receiving the actual video. No shooting or editing required. The possibilities are endless. Check it out. So if you've ever struggled with video production or creating visuals, let these AI tools do the heavy lifting while you provide the strategic vision. Now, let's explore similar graphic and image generators. For creating jaw-dropping marketing visuals on demand, my go-to platform right now is Leonardo AI. I find that Leonardo delivers the most photorealistic imagery when simply describing my desired scenes or concepts. This is perfect for social media posts and ads. DALL-E 3 is another phenomenal contender that is available through OpenAI. And while the image quality may slightly trail Leonardo's when it comes to photorealism, it excels at incorporating text and logos into generated art and also does a good job with cartoon type art. I access DALL-E 3 through the ChatGPT Plus dashboard for that $20 a month, but you can also test it for free via Bing Image Creator. Other major players are Midjourney, focused on imaginative art and stable diffusion that is also hailed for its versatility. But I find Leonardo and DALL-E 3 to be the easiest for most loan officers to start with. No creative experience required, just simply type a prompt like suburban family with a sold sign in the front yard and let the AI do the visual magic. So between video, image, writing, and editing, your marketing is truly only limited by your imagination as AI handles the heavy lifting. All right, we just covered some of the most impactful AI tools ready to give your loan officer marketing an unfair advantage in 2024. Let's do a quick recap on the key categories. Heygen can help you translate videos and also create avatars completely generated by AI. ChatGPT, Claude, and other chat-style LLMs help rapidly create content, analyze data, and answer questions. Tools like Descript, CapCut, and Opus propel your video production and editing, and Leonardo, DALL-E 3, and more automatically generate stunning marketing visuals. And this entirely new platform like Sora creates full videos for you just from text. I really only scratched the surface today, but the key is starting now. Pick one new AI helper focused on your biggest bottleneck, test, refine prompts, and use these tools to maximize your productivity. If you got value from this video, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe if you want to stay on the cutting edge of loan officer marketing tactics. Lastly, if you have any questions about AI implementation or topics you want me to cover next, make sure to drop them in the comments section below. I read and respond to every question from you all personally. Looking forward to connecting more. Now go out there, test some AI, and leave your competition in the dust this year.